We are back again. We still remain Subway Energy Academy, the training section of Subway Energy Limited. If you were opportune to join our level 1 training, you might have known your instructor. I still remain myself, a son. I'm a Nigerian from Akwa Ibom, to be precise. What are we going to cover when we are talking about solar installation 101? We laid the necessary foundation. We gave you everything that will carry you as you are moving, as you are growing up in this industry. So we want to finish up what we started in our level 1 training, solar system installation 101. So what are we going to consider in the level 2 training? First of all, we will take a closer look at the revision, what we treated in solar system installation 101, but we can do it to the extent that you will understand what we did in the solar installation 101. The roof was part of solar system installation 101. So we will only do a revision on that aspect because we are starting with roof racking. So we will try and give you some information you need as it concerns the roof. The same thing we did in the level 1 training, so that we will be able to talk about the roof effectively in this level of the training. After that, we'll talk about solar tools, accessories, and how to professionally use them. Some people, they use manual way to install their system. We are not saying that using manual method is not good, but if you have to install like 100 solar panels, you will not be able to manually do what the machine can do. So we will talk about all the solar tools, the accessories as it concerns roof racking, and how to professionally use them. After that, what we are trying to say here is, if you are watching this video, it belongs to Subway Energy Academy. You don't have any reason to sell this video to anybody. If you do such, legal actions will be taken against you. Please don't try it. Sit down and prepare your own video. Prepare your own training. Be original. If you watch our training, we are not copying anybody's training. We are trying to be original in our approach. So we will talk about the roof in detail. We'll talk about how to professionally rack your roof. We talk about the string diagram and every other thing that concerns the roof. It is after understanding the roof that we will be able to talk about how to professionally write proposal. I say there's a way you write proposal in a professional way. There's a way you write quotation in a professional way, so that when your clients look at your proposal or your quotation, they will know exactly that you have what it takes to handle the project. So after that, that will take us to BOQ, bill of quantity, the materials that will be needed to do the installation. We'll take a closer look at bill of quantity. Then after that, we'll talk about material procurement. Some people procure fake products, fake brands to install solar. And that is one of the reasons why your solar system is failing. So we will teach you how to select material. That is material selection. It's not every material, depending on the installation you are venturing into, depending on your electrical loads. There are materials that you ought to use during the solar system design and installation process. We will talk about cable size. We'll talk about cable sizing in detail, how you can professionally design cables based on the kind of installation that you are going after. We'll be detailed about it and how to size your cable irrespective of the type of installation you are handling. We'll talk about solar component matching, how you can match your components. Okay, I have my charge controller, I have my battery, I have my panel, I have my inverter, plus other accessories. How do I match them? How do I configure them? These are those things we will handle in this level 2 training. There is always a professional way to go about solar system installation. We will still expose you to the nitty-gritty, the secrets as it concerns installing the solar components and how to take the precautions. There are precautions when you are installing the solar components. Then we'll handle breakers. This has been a very serious problem with some people in the industry, cable sizing breakers. So we'll take you on a journey to tell you, to expose to you how to professionally size your breakers, irrespective of the installation that you are doing. Don't forget, this is Subway Energy Academy, the training section of Subway Energy Limited. So we are saying that by watching this video, you have agreed not to sell Subway Energy Academy videos. Legal actions must, it is not will, be taken if you violate this agreement. So it's a privilege meeting you, and it's a privilege talking to you. Subway Energy Academy, the leading training academy when power generation is mentioned. We teach you how to do it. Not only how to do it, how to profit from it, how to make money from it, and how to do it professionally. Welcome once again.